Hi guys, it's Fatia Johnson, the nurse practitioner over at Glow and Sparkle Aesthetics and Medical Spa. So today we are doing one of our favorite procedures. It's called Emface by BTL. What's so cool about this is that there's no needles involved to help rebuild collagen and elastin. Also, it's gonna rebuild back muscle in the face. So a lot of people, as we age, we not only lose the fat, collagen, and elastin, but we also lose muscle in the face. So with her, this is something that she wanted to try because she didn't want any needles. She didn't want to do any injectables. So this is nice, quick and easy. It's only about 20 minutes per area. For her, we have already done some sessions. So I'm going to show you her before and after results, which are amazing. Aren't they, girl? They are incredible. Also for her, we did Sub-mentum. So another big problem that some people do not like is their double chin area. So when you put the Emface down below in the Sub-mentum area, it also helps to dissolve fat, right? So break up that fat so that we can be leaner down below and have that sharper jawline. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these little stickers or applicators onto her face, so come on over. So we make sure that the face is nice and clean. You always wipe down with alcohol. We already did this. I'm just gonna do it again. In the area, we'll take off the little sticker, brand new applicator. And so what she's gonna do is a little smile for me. Look where that smile is. Smile again, relax. And now we place that applicator on, okay? And it hits right where the tragus is, here on the ear. And so I'm gonna press firmly for a couple seconds, hold that. What's nice with this device, you can do 2 areas at one time. Today we are doing her cheeks to sculpt, build collagen, elastin, tighten the skin. And then again, we're gonna do down below. Some people do the forehead as well. So especially if you have those fine lines in the forehead, it's gonna help rebuild collagen and elastin there as well. And then what's great is that people see a nice little eyebrow lift, which is beautiful too. The chin one is shaped like that, which is pretty cool. Again, it's just gonna hit that area underneath the Sub-mentum for that excess adipose tissue, AKA fat. And so we're gonna lift up. We're gonna see that way, okay? We don't go this way, we go that way, how it curves underneath, okay? We're gonna feel for her bone and go right underneath that. Perfect. Right there, okay? We're gonna stay away from this area. Beautiful locks. Okay, so now we're on. We make sure it's not pulling, okay? As you can see, it says make sure the Sub-mentum is placed appropriately, which it is, okay? It also notices that, hey, we have the cheek and the Sub-mentum area highlighted. The forehead is not, because we are doing these 2 areas, which is nice. And so for her, we're gonna go up, we're gonna press play. She can take it pretty high. The heat, this is radio frequency. What's nice about radio frequency is that, again, it's gonna build collagen, elastin, and help tighten. And then we are gonna do her contractions to help build that muscle. So it's pulling and contracting up.
The cheeks can go more.
What about the chin?
Maybe like a little.
Okay. So I'll go 70 there. Deselect that. The cheek will go up more.
That's good.
That's good everywhere? Okay. Can you see her underneath the pull? The face you can really see. And it doesn't hurt, right? It looks like, does it look like yours? It's just the pulling, it doesn't hurt, no pain. So come on in to Glow and Sparkle, check us out to where if you wanna try the Emface, give that a roll or try or in your face so you can build collagen, elastin, help rebuild that muscle that we lose as we age, or if you lost a lot of weight and you're starting to see some hollowness in the face and you kind of wanna build up that collagen, elastin and building up that muscle again, or if you have, like I said, excess adipose tissue underneath the Sub-mentum or that double chin, we can get rid of that with the Emface with no needles.